guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous unit from Luvme Hair. And by the way, this video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for being today's sponsor. I am so in love with these curls. I mean, they are so big, they make me look so cute. Oh my goodness, I love everything about this wig. The curls are so beautiful. Even you will see in the video when I actually make them wet, you know, the wet look, you all know how I do it. You will see these curls are so beautiful and they bounce back like that quick. So I am so impressed with everything. The lace, I really love everything about this wig. And by the way, if you are interested in purchasing this wig, please do check the description box for more information and for direct links, okay? And also there's a discount code, so please do make sure that you click the description box and check out those discount codes. Okay, all right. So as usual, this video is self-explanatory, so that's it. Let's get straight into today's video.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday?
So guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. They were kind enough to send me a pair of eyelashes, Christmas nails, a scrunchie, a phone holder, and a pair of earrings. Oh wait, I actually forgot that they sent me a white tooth comb. How thoughtful. I'm truly amazed by this unit, guys. It is so soft. It is a 20-inch lace front curly wig. I'm impressed with the quality, the length, and how poofy these curls can get.
You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
As usual, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. Don't forget to check the description box for more information on this gorgeous unit.
Lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love. 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 Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love. Soon I'm climbing all four walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you. Hey, I'm still missing you. Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you. Yeah. Oh.
I really love the way these curls look, but I just wanna, you know, spray some water and conditioner and, you know, just to get that wet look, you know what I mean. But I'm really obsessed with this. Like, the curls are big, the curls are so soft. I'm not sure which look I'm gonna go for, but I genuinely, honestly really love them dry and big. But let's get straight into it.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing.
But now, one thing about Love Me hair curls, they bounce back, child. Like, they bounce back. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, just like that, just like that. Oh my word, I'm really impressed with the quality. Ugh.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego. I get
So this is the wet look, and this is the dry look. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know which one looks better. I love all of them. I'm undecided. I'm really undecided. Look how smooth. Oh my goodness, these curls are really beautiful. Let me just do the other side, and yeah, I'll come back with the finished look.
go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes,
thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. I'm a TikToker, guys. Please do follow me on TikTok at Curly Memes or Mimi Manaso. Just, you know, do the right thing, okay? And please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig. I mean, I know I look so good. These curls are beautiful. These curls, they scream me, they scream quality, they scream Love Me Hair. And by the way, thank you so much, Love Me Hair, for sponsoring today's video. We really do appreciate collaborations on this channel. Until next time, guys, bye bye.